built it from scratch, right?
Yeah.
How was the journey for you?
So the journey has been very inspiring. Every step, every day, every day I'm learning a lot. 2 साल हो गए. I do feel like every day I am actually achieving थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा. अरे ये मैंने सोचा भी था जो हो रहा है.
Hi, so today we have an entrepreneur, storyteller, and founder from Mauve India magazine to Luminara and TFF Club editor. We have Priya Lalwani with us, and let's welcome her. Hi, Priya, how are you?
Hi, I'm good.
So, Priya, tell us about your story. How did this journey started?
It started so long back, but this journey is all about, if it is about magazine, how we cannot forget about Vogue, right? And there's this another story that is The Devil Wears Prada, and that's where, I had a plan that I need to initiate something of my own, and that should be a magazine where, the power she carries, Miranda Priestley in the movie and Anna Wintour in real life, although they do not resemble each other way too much. But yeah. So I wanted to become Anna Wintour. I wanted to become Miranda Priestley, both all together, and that's how Mauve initiated.
So, it just came out of a movie. Like, it inspired
Yeah,
you?
yeah. I'll say actually, there's this book too.
Okay.
First, I watched this movie, and then further, I read this book. The book gave me more goosebumps than this movie. But yeah, we can say the movie is something that inspired me to initiate something.
So, you built it from scratch, right?
Yeah.
How was the journey for you?
So the journey has been very, inspiring. Every step, every day, every day I'm learning a lot. Every step I'm taking, I'm, achieving something new, meeting a lot many people, understanding their stories. Actually, Mauve is all about, the way you are doing this podcast you are doing. You are trying to learn so many stories, right? So this is what Mauve is all about. We are interviewing people. We are learning about their stories. So these people are also inspiring. So yeah, every day is an inspiration for us.
Okay, and what about Luminara and TFF Club? What is it actually?
So Luminara is a fashion and marketing summit where, we are giving, along with summit, this is a runway show.
Okay.
We are giving space to 10 designers from the town to showcase their collection on the ramp. This is one of its kind summit that does not happen ever, in central India. We are the only one who are hosting it, and I can say proudly that we are the only luxury lifestyle magazine here in entire central India. Along with that, TFF is 100 female founders club from tier 2 cities. We are taking 100 female founders and creating a club of that where, we are working on their skill enhancement. We are working on their personality developments. We are also working on, giving them networking opportunities and business integrations too. So these are the things.
How did this idea pop up now? Like, it's a very inspiring idea for females.
That's
also,
what I
yeah.
said. Every day is an inspiration. Every other person will give you some sort of inspiration, and you get the ideas, and that's how all of these ideas are coming across.
Okay. So, what about the challenges which media houses are facing right now, according to you?
The challenges are people for the print. I have seen that people have been saying it all that, why going for pages, why going for the print when, the world is going digital. But I just have a question for you all. Are you guys searching those articles online, or if you are reading it all, if you have already a paperback with you? Everyone is reading with the paperback. They are actually grabbing some sort of knowledge via paperbacks, and then when they are grabbing that knowledge, then they are going to Google and researching more about that particular topic. So we can say print is something, that is giving you all an opportunity to crave for more knowledge. So
Okay.
people find it a difficulty to understand why print is important, but print is important. And yeah, challenges is I don't see many challenges over here, as every media industry have, to stay true to yourself, to build trust among readers, to build trust among your audience. That's what we need to do. And so many media houses are not being able to fulfill because of sponsors, because of advertisers, because, we need to survive at the end.
Monetization.
Yeah, we need to survive, and these advertisers and these sponsors are the one who are actually helping us all in surviving it all. So yeah, how to be true to yourself, this challenge, how you can overcome is make 30% of your entire edition, or even if you are doing for print or any media house, make 30% of it as editorial, and 70% as editorial, and that's how you can survive your media house.
Right. So, can you tell me what a few differences, like from traditional methods in this and now the modern methods? What do you think is the difference, and how is it impacting your industry?
Mine is actually a merger of both.
Okay.
Yeah, we have seen, I am into print as well as digital, right? So when we talk about print, we are again, we are not a media platform. Here we are, talking about luxury lifestyle and so many other things. So here what happens is, when we see traditional medias, we follow, those newspapers, we follow those TV channels, news channels and all of that. When we go for the modern medias, these are websites and digital portals, even social media channels are there. So many social media channels are there. So what we are doing is, we are available here in the print format, we are available in the digital format. So whatever you are looking forward for, we are here to serve you in both the segments. And merger of both is very much demand of an hour, because people are everywhere. Abhi right now the generation, we have millennials, we have boomers, we have Gen Z, we have Gen Alpha. So we have consumers of all segment. Why not go? Why to go for just one segment when we have so many things to explore? So yeah.
Coming from that, nowadays many stories are disguised as, okay, this is the truth of the story and everything, and people get paid for it mostly.
Have you heard of deepfakes?
Yeah, of course, it's a trending topic on social media right now.
Yeah.
So that, but how does it impact the audience totally for you, and how does the market work after that?
See, there's one more thing. Digital channels are something that is actually creating the most fake news ever, right? And ऊपर से trust build up at social media channels is not an easier thing. If you think, usually लोग print newspapers पे सबसे ज़्यादा भरोसा अब तक कर रहे हैं, अगर newspapers भी जा रहे हैं तो. So if you believe that you know something, and if you want to follow some news, you want to research about it, get the papers, get the news that is printed in your hands, like the print news. Find that, क्योंकि till today डिजिटल मीडिया में हर टाइप के ब्रांड्स हैं. एक ब्रांड के कुछ 100 वेराइटीज, मतलब एक इंडस्ट्री के 100 वेराइटीज आपको जस्ट इन द 2 किलोमीटर्स के रेंज में आपको लोग मिल जाएंगे फॉर दैट डिजिटल चैनल. सो वी कॉल इट समंदर है साहब, जितना सर्च करोगे उतना मिलेगा. तो if you want trust for your brand, you need to go for a print or some traditional media to find the real truth. Even traditional and regional medias are also creating a lot of facades and everything. But even if you are looking for the truth, at the end you need to research it all by yourself. No one is here to serve you the real news.
So for you personally, has anyone tried to, give the paid thing for Mov media and everything? Like, have you ever got the chance ki they're paying you to feature something which is not true?
See, Mov ke sath aisa hai na, we do not cover the news.
Okay.
We are covering the stories of people, right? So हम लोगों की stories तो cover करते हैं, but then too हमारा एक genre है, that is luxury lifestyle.
Okay.
So we only cover people from that particular area of the industry. So when we cover these people, so इसमें भी हमारे पास बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं from the different industries, from the different backgrounds. We have certain sort of criteria allotted for everyone. If you belong to that particular category, even if you are paying us or not paying us, we won't consider you until and unless you are not there in that you are not fitting in that criteria. So yeah, people have tried. We have denied a lot, many people too.
Okay.
Yeah.
So coming to the part, nowadays digital marketers like magazines and everything, do you think they're getting insecure because now they can use Canva and ChatGPT and even can be a founder after that?
I think you must have tried ChatGPT.
For
Of course,
everything,
everyone
yeah,
has
everyone
tried.
uses that.
Have you seen how many times they repeat the language? The language ChatGPT shows is always the same. Even if you'll ask it, you can ask ChatGPT to humanize your content. It's not only ChatGPT. We have a lot many other sites as well, like Bard, like Gemini, it is, and so many other. So even if you ask ChatGPT to humanize it, the language won't change. Even if you ask it to make it poetic, make it according to your language, the language won't
Won't
be
change.
changed at all. At the end, you need a human touch. At the end, you need a personalized touch for yourself. Canva can also create a lot of content, but can this content go and get in print? No. Definitely, Canva is a threat. ChatGPT is a threat, but as I have already always said, that people who know how to use these tools will steal the job rather than these tools can steal the job. Yeah,
So human touch is also required in your field.
Definitely.
Right? Definitely. Okay, coming to the part, what do you think the Instagram and social media, the reels, how is it depending on the work variety and everything? It's depending on your market. How is it changing?
see, these are just acting as a catalyst to my brand.
Okay.
All the social media channels, because majorly I'm into print, but whatever can give me any sort of market value, they can enhance my market value.
Visibility basically.
Yeah, so that's just is acting as a catalyst. Instagram or Facebook हो गया, Snapchat हो गया, Thread हो गया, Pinterest हो गया, Quora हो गया, everything I consider it as a catalyst to me.
Okay. So if tomorrow the advertisers stop paying for the magazines, how will it survive for you?
Advertisers are meant to pay for the ads, right?
Okay.
So they are never going to stop paying for the ads because it is their demand. वो लोग कितना time तक Instagram में ad run करते रहेंगे. People at the end do look for offline publicity of a brand. People will go to a brand who has at some times gotten suggested by one of their friends. तो दे वॉन्ट कि कोई इंसान आके उनको बोले कि दिस पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड इज गुड, गो फॉर इट. जब तक कोई उनको आके अपने मुंह से नहीं बोलेगा कि दिस इज गुड, दे वोंट गो फॉर इट. तो आप कितना भी कुछ भी कर लो, देयर इज ऑलवेज अ डिमांड ऑफ आउटडोर मार्केटिंग, दैट इज होर्डिंग्स इन ऑल जो लग रहे हैं. देयर विल ऑलवेज बी डिमांड ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर में एड्स. देयर विल बी ऑलवेज डिमांड ऑफ मैगजीन, बिकॉज मैगजीन इज समथिंग दैट इज क्रिएटिंग अ ट्रेंड एंड सेटिंग अ ट्रेंड. For TV commercials, definitely जितना भी हम बोलते हैं कि हाँ, there are so many media channels who are there now in YouTube and everything, but TV commercials लोग बनाते हैं to create a storyline for a brand. You must have heard of it. If you want to showcase a storyline of a brand, these TV commercials act as a catalyst. So और वो TV ad आजकल न्यूज़ के अलावा तो कोई और TV channel open भी नहीं करते, सब OTTs में जा रहे, right? So yeah, where is the way for advertisers to stop paying?
Right. So coming to this, word of mouth matters over here, as
Yeah.
you said, right? So does Truth get printed, or does only the sponsors get, to sleep peacefully at night?
Truth is definitely getting printed, and the fake news are getting virals.
Okay.
So we can say word of mouth से आप किसी भी चीज को, किसी भी ब्रांड को एकदम राजा बना सकते हो, but जो एक्चुअल ट्रूथ है वो प्रिंट में मिलेगा.
राइट. सो जो ऑफलाइन मेथड्स हैं जो आप बता रहे हो उतने सारे, विच इज स्टिल पीपल बिलीव, आई गेस, बिकॉज वो एक ट्रस्ट बन गया है. इट हैज बीन कमिंग फ्रॉम अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम टू नाउ. सो आपको थोड़ा सा भी इस चीज में फर्क नहीं लगा कि सोशल मीडिया आ गया तो पीपल आर गोइंग मोर टुवर्ड्स दैट टाइम?
I initiated during the time when social media was booming. I started it, I think 2024. तो उस टाइम पे मतलब आफ्टर कोविड तो सोशल मीडिया का ट्रेंड ऐसा बूम किया है कि एवरीवन इज नाउ अ सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर these days. So I don't think it is anywhere a threat for me. Even see, जो ऑथेंटिसिटी होती है ना, जो टच में हमको फील आता है ना, वो हम आफ्टर 10 years वी आर गोइंग टू क्रेव फॉर दैट, बिकॉज उस टाइम पे तो एवरीथिंग विल गो डिजिटल, राइट? And उस time पे the look and the feel of a magazine will be something, the heart for people.
So you have been into journalism? Yeah. Can you tell me something about that? That you have been to Bombay also, and
Yeah.
can you tell me a little bit about your journey over there?
It was amazing. I had to like my team is there in Mumbai. There's this trailer launch of Dhurandhar,
Okay.
and my team is interviewing people from there.
Alright.
Yeah. So abhi bhi, because this is a magazine, journalism can never go off if you are running a magazine. So I do have a team over there too. We every now and then we interview the CMOs and CEOs of some big companies. We have interviewed a lot many people. Aaj Ranveer Singh ko interview kar rahi hai meri team. So I'm very happy about it. The entire journey has always giving us goosebumps whenever we see any good people
I was
who are
about to
there.
ask you, does it still feel like, wow, we're doing so good, we have come so far?
2 साल हो गए. I do feel like every day I am actually achieving थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा. अरे ये मैंने सोचा भी था जो हो रहा है. This is how it goes for me.
Have you manifested it all or what? Like,
I have like बचपन में मैंने सोचा जो भी and that is all. I'm all doing it all for myself. So yeah, I'm a big fat believer of manifestation.
what about your family? Like, how are they supporting you in this?
See, a family has always been supportive for me. If they wouldn't have been there for me, I don't think I would have been able to do this much of work. So yeah, they are. I have an event on 16th of January, the Luminara. So my mom is more excited for that. She is like, इस बार तू क्या पहनेगी, कहाँ पे करा रही है, this will suit you more. Last time you wore this, that that happened, this happened. So she is more excited than I am. And Papa is a bit of Hindi speaker. तो पापा मैगजीन नहीं बोलते, बट ही डू फ्लॉन्ट इट टू ऑल द पीपल सेइंग दैट मेरी बेटी की पत्रिका आती है. It feels so cute, that my father is also flaunting my work everywhere.
Must feel very nice.
Yeah.
And coming to the part, जैसे अब influencer marketing होती है, so उसमें और फिर magazine पे people tend to spend more on the influencers right now. We all know, right? And rather than that, आपका जो काम है पूरा magazine based है. So उस पार्ट पे कैसे आपको मतलब differentiate
Of course, people are paying influencers more, but कितने साल तक पे करेंगे?
Right.
Just after, I think even the reports have said it, the trends report, the companies who created, they have also said it. Influencers marketing, the entire industry is going to boom for another 5 years. After 5 years, the entire market is going to crash because everyone will become a content creator or an influencer.
It is happening actually. Every other person wants to become a content creator.
Exactly. So there will be no trust in the market for that.
Right.
Just
because everybody is
within
doing the
5
paid
years.
collaborations for everything.
Yeah.
Right. True. So the Female Founders Club, you told me
Yeah.
about that. So when is it starting and how is
It
going to
initiated in October 14th, 2025.
Okay.
Yeah, that is just 1 month.
Many congratulations on that.
Thank you so much. And we already have 70 members on board with us.
Okay. So it's world or like it's nationwide or what?
No, it is just Raipur right
It's just
now.
Raipur?
And we are onboarding just 100 women for the entire club, and we already have 70. So yeah, we are filled 70% flooded.
What kind of business or what kind of startups do they have? Like how are you supporting
All the
them?
industries we have. We have doctors, we have interiors, we have restaurant owners, we have kids play area owners, we have salon owners, we have fashion designers, we have all segments of people.
So what is
You ask it and we'll give it to you.
what is going to happen after this? Like what is the plan?
See, we are organizing 12 events in the time span of 12 months, and these will be, some sort of workshops. We also have, onboarded a few masters for that. One is an actor. He's a mainstream actor. We are not allowed to disclose the name yet. And the another one is, the really renowned wellness and spa franchise owner.
Okay.
She is also from Mumbai, and we have another financial influencer on board with us. So yeah, we are doing pretty good about that too.
Okay. So Priya, what do you feel about the fashion lifestyle in Raipur? What views you have in the same thing?
See, I'll say there are really good fashion consumer. There is ample amount of consumers for fashion, and there are really good people who are actually creating the fashion over here in Raipur. But there is no linkage between them. There are, the consumers are dying to get some good some good fashion only from Raipur. They are going Dubai. They are going outskirts of India to consume the fashion they are requiring that is actually built here. So I think there is not a good linkage for these two here.
Okay, so the fashion store owners, like there are many over here, I won't like to take the name, and the brands which are already famous. What do you think people prefer more in Raipur?
Right now the world is going for the tailored and customized
Customized, right.
fashion. People are actually very eager to buy from local vendors rather than the established brands. Ab dekho, if you are talking about the luxury brands, people are preferring to purchase from these local vendors rather than luxury.
True.
Yeah, you
So-
must have seen, that's why there are so many exhibitions, pop-ups, and
Right,
everything is
right,
happening. Yeah,
So people are buying from that, and plus they're also wearing the brands in Raipur, right?
agreed. Yeah.
So, what do you think? What kind of luxury brands do we have here in Raipur? Like,
We do not have any luxury brand here.
okay,
I think Abhi recently.
like people carry and wear like in such events or something like
Acha,
that.
okay, what
Yeah,
people are carrying? Everything.
everything, right? So
we
do
have everything. Yeah.
Okay, coming to the part, you have been to Mumbai, so you know a lot of things about there. So, what do you think if people want to get into the same industry? How would they get?
See, if they want to enter into PR industry, there are so many ways where if you can tie up with some media houses, you can ask about their pricings, you can pay them some sort of amounts and everything. Even if you want some contacts, there are ample of contacts available, or there are so many sites that are giving the contacts of these industry people. You can initiate your PR situation. Along with that, if you're going ahead with media industry, first of all, create a digital site for yourself.
Okay,
Start with doing it all for free, because people do crave to get published anywhere. So start doing it for free, and dheere when you see you have enough amount of audience in your sites, in your channels, start asking for the pay. That's it. And if you want to go for print, then I don't want you to become my competitor, but yeah, then too, just ask the double of amount what you are asking in the digital versions. Ask the double of it for the print, because of course print requires a lot of investment.
okay. So
Yeah.
the people who are not, don't have a good ample amount of budget and they want to get into this industry, how will they manage their expenses? To
If you
that?
do not have budget, I'll say don't go for it, because this demands a lot of expense. But even if you want to go and start from the scratch, you'll have to be the editor, you'll have to be the writer, you'll have to be the graphic designer, you'll have to be the photographer too, and you will have to be the journalist too. So if you are ready to do it all by yourself, and in a day you are ready to accomplish all of these tasks, then definitely you should go ahead and do it.
Okay, definitely. So I have a few questions for you. You can call it a rapid fire round.
Sure.
So are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
तो अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी बांध
Take it. Coming to the part. The first question for you is, what is more dangerous, clickbait journalism or paid journalism?
clickbait.
Okay, real competition, other magazines or Instagram reels?
Instagram Reels. No other magazines. Instagram Reels are of no use. Yeah.
Okay, so creators today succeed because of talent or timing?
Sorry?
Creators today succeed because of talent or timing?
Nothing. As much as cringy you are succeeding.
Oh God, well said. Brands prefer real value or real virality?
They do not prefer real value though.
Virality, right. Okay. Common reason people want features, legacy or flex?
Flex.
Harder to manage, sponsor expectations or reader expectations?
Readers' expectation. Sponsors मान जाते हैं, readers को जो चाहिए, you will never be able to understand what readers want.
Because they're different type of
Yeah.
people, obviously. Okay. More fragile in media, ego or ethics?
Ego बना रहता है, ethics डगमगाते रहते हैं.
Okay. More powerful today, storytelling or smart packaging?
Smart packaging.
Okay. You handle better, pressure or people?
People.
people. Okay.
I do both. I can handle pressure too. I'll be like this even if I have a lot of pressure going on in background. I do delegate everything.
What
over.
is easy for you though? Like handling people or, just cooking up pressure in your mind?
I'll prefer both.
Both.
Yeah.
Okay. So Priya is known for clean work or clean boundaries?
Clean boundaries and both. यार मैं इस चीज में तो बिल्कुल choose नहीं कर सकती.
Okay, no
Yeah.
issues.
I'm doing clean work too and boundaries are very very clear.
That's a good thing though. Big collabs happens through email pitches और भाई मेरे cousin का brand है.
भाई मेरे cousin का
Cousin का
brand.
brand.
Yeah. Email pitches are very very rare to get converted.
Converted.
Yeah.
But
But if you'll say
Basically
हाँ,
referrals. काम आते हैं
reference
बहुत
से.
ज़्यादा.
This industry is all about referrals.
Okay, that's all for
Yeah.
the rapid fire round.
Thank you so much.
And thank you so much, Priya, for being here. Do you want to say something to the audience?
Sure, do watch this podcast because I'm in it.
Okay, so
Yeah, it was lovely interacting with you.
it was same for me. So here we got to learn a lot from Priya, and I myself got inspired to start something of my own very soon. And I wish her all the best for the upcoming club thing. And thank you guys. Do watch the podcast.